On a seller's storefront, you can view their policies under Terms and Conditions. A seller will state whether they do accept any returns or refunds under the Terms and Conditions. Also be able to find information on individual product pages. So I'm going to select this heart-shaped chocolates. And if you head over to shipping at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see the shipping policy as well as their refund policy. So in this case, the seller will provide a refund if items have been missing from the order. If you have not received your order, they will also process a refund. They have noted that a refund cannot be processed if delivery was attempted and you were unavailable to take in the delivery. So make sure you read these before you do purchase an item.